Hi guys! Today I'm going to tell you about new company that it wasn't on my channel. This is EZ Company and their Inkin Fato tattoo pen. The company manufacturer reports that the Inkin Fato without making noise and has high impact force. Let's check it! My name is Olga Yakovleva. I am permanent makeup artist, trainer, cosmetologist and tattoo artist. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video is a subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. EZ is a Chinese company that has been made tattoo equipment since 2005 years. This is all information about company on the official website. Let's talk about the box. Outwardly, it's a white box with name tattoo machine Inkin Fato and its color black. And also made in China. That's all. Inside, warranty card. RCA clip cord without spare parts and O-rings, and black Inkin Fato. The length is 115 mm, cement body and a quite narrow grip. I'll suggest taking the scales. We always check the machine weight. On the scales is 137 grams. This is average weight of tattoo equipment. The grip is quite narrow and fits comfortably in my hands, but in my opinion the Inkin Fato has a heavy motor part. The Inkin Fato presented only in black color. Its price is about $30. Grip's diameter is from 22 near cartridges to 26 mm. We can sterilize the grip. I use disinfectant and autoclave, and I use a high temperature sterilizer box, but up to 100 Celsius because it can affect the color of grip. This tattoo pen compatible with many cartridges and work with different power supplies. The needle stroke is 3.5 mm. This is a factory setting that we cannot change. This tattoo machine is hybrid. Therefore, the impact force must be of medium hardness. The needle protrusion is adjusted by turning the grip with fixing clicks. According to my work with this tattoo machine, I use a needle protrusion from 2.5 to 3 mm for good flow pigments. It also depends on the type of cartridges. The EZ Company recommends the operating voltage is from 7 to 9 volts, but I work in permanent makeup with voltage about 5.5 volts. This pen turns on from 5 volts easily. Let's turn on it. I'm going to work with power supply must. My working voltage is 5. The tattoo machine has a little vibration and noise, but noise is not annoying. Let's start. Compared to Rocket One, in last video review, Inkin is softer. The pixels are small. Well, let's sum up our video review. The Inkin Fato is from Chinese company EZ. The grip is quite narrow and fits comfortably in my head, but in my opinion, the Inkin Fato has a heavy motor part. It does all kinds of work, shading and lining. Compared to Rocket One in the last video review, the Inkin is softer. So drawing it's good, pixels are small, the vibration is also less than the Rocket vibration. Its price is about $30. The Inkin Fato can work with different skin, but you will be carefully if you have worked with lighter tattoo machine before. You can trauma off skin more under the weight of a tattoo machine. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.